Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer thumbnails to Canva from Google Drive, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your Google Drive account in a web browser. Locate the thumbnail image you want to transfer to Canva. Right-click on the image file. Select the option Download from the context menu. The image will now download to your computer. Open a new tab in your web browser. Go to the Canva website and log in to your account. Once logged in, click on the Create a Design button. Choose the type of design you want to create. In the Design workspace, look for the Uploads tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Uploads tab. Next, click on the Upload Files button. Navigate to the location on your computer where the thumbnail image is downloaded. Select the image file and click Open. The image will now upload to Canva. Once uploaded, the thumbnail will appear in the Upload section. Click on the uploaded image to add it to your design. Adjust the size and position as needed within your design. You're now ready to continue editing or download your design. This completes the process of transferring thumbnails from Google Drive to Canva. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a... Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.